my name is Esther Adwada. Today I will be discussing one international leave law which I think should be adopted into the American leave system. And one of the things I'll be going over is the background of the international leave law, similarity of the leave law to any of American current law, and its impact on human resources management and if it should be adopted into the American system. And there, that's all I'll be covering for this discussion. So let's get into it. Parental leave. Parental leave is a crucial topic that has gained increasingly attention in recent years. This policy addresses the need of working parents and promotes family-friendly initiatives in the workplace. The implementation of paid parental leave programs, such as the one in Australia, has significant implications for human resources departments as organizations strive to attract and retain top talent while supporting work-life balance. HR professional plays a crucial role in developing, implementing, and managing paid parental leave policy. This discussion will explore the implication for HR in adopting paid parental leave in the United States while drawing insight from the Australian model. Key consideration in policy development compliances, employee communication, leave administration, training and support, compliance reporting, workforce planning, and fostering a supportive organization culture will be highlighted. Understanding this implication is essential for HR professionals as they navigate the complexities of implementing and optimizing paid parental leave program in their respective organizations. Australian paid parental leave background. Australia paid parental leave scheme introduced in January 2011 provide financial support for up to 18 weeks to eligible working parents to care for their newborns and adopted child. Both biological and adoptive parents can apply as long as they meet residency and income requirements. Australian Union 2022. The payment amount is based on the national minimum wage, which can be adjusted annually, and some employers may provide additional paid parental leave benefits. Eligible parents can apply through the Australian Government Service Australian website up to 3 months before the expected date of birth or adoption. In addition to paid parental leave, eligible employee may have access to other forms of leave, such as unpaid parental leave and annual leave. The scheme promotes gender equality, work-life balance, and improve child and maternal well-being. Some of the similarity of this law to US leave law are as follow. Paid parental leave law in Australia and the United States have similarity but also have significant differences. In Australia, eligible parents can receive up to 18 weeks of paid parental leave based on the national minimum wage, while in the US there is no federal policy for paid parental leave. And the Family and Medical Leave Act (FMLA) provide up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave for certain family and medical reasons. Eligibility for paid parental leave in Australia is based on residency and income requirements and is available to both biological and adoptive parents who are in the primary care of the child. In contrast, eligibility for unpaid leave under the FMLA is limited to employees of covered employers who have worked a certain numbers of hours and meet other criteria. US Department of Labor. In some cases, employers in both countries may offer additional paid parental leave benefits, but this is not mandated at the federal level in the US. Several US states have implemented their own paid family leave laws, which vary in terms of duration, payment amount, and eligibility criteria. It is important to refer to official government resources or consult with legal professional familiar with the relevant law in each judisti- jurisdiction for more detailed information. Recommendation for adoption in the US. The United States should definitely consider adopting a paid parental leave policy similar to the one in Australia. This would require extensive planning and cooperation from different shareholders while taking into account the budgetary implications. The potential benefits of such policy are numerous, including positive income impact, improved health and well-being for both parents and children, promotion of gender equality and alignment with policy from other developed countries. The policy will also be tailored to fit the unique circumstances of the United States. However, among policymakers, employers, and the general public is vital for a successful implementation. While there may be challenges unique to the US context, it is important to know that this policy has already been successfully implemented into other countries and can be adapted to fit the need of the United States. Implement Implication for human resources, how this will impact the human resources in each organization. The adoption of paid parental leave policy in the United States, model after those in Australia, would require careful consideration and implementation by human resources departments. HR professional will be responsible for policy development, compliance, and legal consideration. Employee communication, leave administrate, administration, training and support for managers and supervisors, compliance with reporting, workforce planning, and driving a cultural shift towards work-life balance and family-friendly policy. Collaboration with other departments such as finance, legal, and senior management would be crucial for successful implementation and addressing challenges that may arise during the process. Overall, HR would play a critical role in creating inclusive and supportive workplace environment that value and encourage the use of paid parental leave. In conclusion, the implementation of paid parental leave program in the United States has significant implications for human resources department. When properly developed and managed, this policy can enhance employee retention, improve workforce participation, and promote work-life balance. Employee well-being and gender equality. HR professionals must consider factors such as policy development, compliance, and employee communication, leave administration, training and support, compliance reporting, workforce planning, and cultural shift to ensure successful implementation and management of paid parental leave program. While the Australian model serves as a valuable reference point, policy must be adopted to the unique circumstances of the United States. By doing so, HR professionals can drive positive change, create a supportive and inclusive workforce that value the well-being of working parents and their family, ultimately leading to a family-friendly and equitable workplace for all. That is all. Thank you.